it going, everyone? Back again today. I've done the same sort of thing as what I did the other day. Do you know, where I did like time lapses first and then come back to speak. I just thought I'd interrupt the time lapses and do like a bit of an explanation to what we've done today. So I've drilled out all the boot floor, the Kevlar floor. I'll show you that in there. You can see just through there, look. See under there. So we've got to fit that back into that one. Took all the fuel system out, took the fuel tank off, and then had a bit of a brainstorm sort of idea. And put the surge tank here because I was worrying it needed to be protected in the metal casing, you know. I've actually just riv nutted straight to the floor and then riv nutted straight up into the top there. Can you see the riv nuts? Riv nuts with a locking nut on it and then a locking nut on the bottom there. And that's absolutely solid, do you know, it's going nowhere. It's not too low, it's higher up than the half tank that's going to be on that side. And there's the half tank, the one that I made, cut down, cut in half and welded, that side, there. So now we've just got the original them two fuel lines going there. I need to buy a 90 degree to go up there, you can see on there. And then I'm going to swap this for a 10mm because I think I'm going to go E85. Well, I am going to go E85, so I'm going to swap that for a 10mm adapter and then run straight up and back into the car like the factory. Just fitted that front door, needs adjusting. Yeah, I've come up through there and then like the factory one does, and then run down the side of the chassis leg, same as OEM. But I think it looks quite good. I'll show you the. You'll have seen it on the. Well, I'll show you on time lapse, but I'm just going to put a little cover over there. But the return line's going to come up and run straight down, same as factory. Yeah, it looks alright. Looks like you're meant to be there. But yeah, I'll carry on anyway. Aimed for today is to really get. I was just swapping a few locks around and stuff. These. And adjusting the doors. But yeah, aim today really is to get the rest of the loom out of the car, like I said the other day, and the brake lines off, and all the rest of the electrical system sort of thing, and the dash. So it's about 1ish now, so we're going to crack on. Yeah, so I'll put back to time lapse and then I'll speak to you later on at the end of the video. Right, see you soon. I'm back again. So busy afternoon. We're nearly there, stripped wise. All the looms off, full thing. ABS modules off and fitted to the new car. The GoPro went dead. So yeah, the GoPro went dead about half an hour ago. I'll put some time lapses in, but it's going to miss most of the good bits, shall we say. Anyway, ABS pump is in, still got the front lines connected, they're bolted up there. That's the fuse box and the loom, like light loom sort of thing, engine loom, not the engine loom as such, but the like secondary engine loom. Yeah, so that's that down there. That's all off, ready to go back on. That's the relay for the rear heated screen, this one. I got it off the back parcel shelf and I'm putting a front heated screen in, so I thought I'll just use that relay and then I'll be able to work off the same button, so I'm going to put a switch in. So this is the this is the main loom. What a nightmare. So we've got ECU, steering column, literally everything. So what I'm going to do now is lay it all out on the floor, get it dragged right out up here, and cut off what I do need, cut off what I don't need, sorry. Yeah, so I'll go get the charge for the GoPro of the car and I'll put the GoPro back on. You can see me messing about with it. It has been a very long day today, but we've got loads done and another good day. So I'll run through a bit of what we've done. I've been concentrating. I wanted to get I started to tear all the loom down, and then I thought I'm going to work for 2 days, and I don't want to lose track of where I am with the loom. Do you know, like what plugs in where and what was where? Because I had about 5 or 6 things in my head that I was like, I've cut that and that needs wiring back up. No, you get the gist. But the loom's fully off this car. It's fully stripped. Fully on that car now. We've got the full loom in place. They're not. Everything's not completely bolted up to its final position, but we've got the basic. So we've got the engine loom coming through there. That comes through with all the boost control solenoids and other bits and bobs. Steering rack we've put through. I've just rested it on top of everything in there for now. ABS pump, as I said, that's on. All the air points are in, but I've left them loose, you know, like just because I need to clean some of the paint away, you know, to get a nice connection. Yeah, so yeah, what else will I'll show you inside here. What a mess. It might be best if I flip the actual camera, but so I've got loads of wires to delete. As I said, you can see it there, I started stripping the loom, you know, to the bits that are just the bits that I need. And I got to there and I thought to myself, it's like 5 o'clock or whatever. There's no way it's too much of a task for the day, you know, for the remainder of the day. There's not enough hours left. So I abandoned it and then thought I'll get it in the car. But yeah, everything's in place. I've got the dash cut as well, just stripped out everything from underneath it. It's all in this car here. All the plastic heater elements and stuff. And yeah, it looks alright. I don't care about this side, you know, it's a bit flimsy. But this side, obviously where the binnacle goes, it's solid. So yeah, I'm real pleased with it. But as I say, we've got all these wires to sort out. That's for all these gauges that someone put in when I bought the car, so they've always needed doing, to be honest. They're too heavy gauge, and yeah. So yeah, the other thing, what I do, I've got the Aggie sump out of the old car. Got, well, near enough everything. And then I've done that surge tank setup like I mentioned, which I'm quite chuffed with, to be honest. It looks really, really sturdy. I've just put some Loctite, you know, thread lock on there. I'm going to change these ones for nylock. But you can't move it, you're moving the whole car. And the pump itself is also bolted just with rivnuts. So now I can have all the connections underneath the car, which is great. No in-car connection. Oh, sorry, other than one. We've got one. I'll show you. Yeah, we've got one going to be on top of there, which is the return. But I think I already mentioned that. These rivnuts were absolute beasts. I think they're M10 or M12. These ones, you should have seen the foresight to put on the rivnut gun, you know, to get it to compress it. But yeah, it's 7 o'clock now, so I've been on it nearly 11, 12 hours today. But I'm happy where we are. There's not. It looks like there's loads and loads of work left, but there's not now. It's all really just bolt up, easy stuff, straightforward. A couple of little fabrication bits, you know, with the fuel filler neck and whatnot. But yeah, it's going really well. I hope you've enjoyed this. It's been a bit scatty, you know, like here and there, this video, but I'm sure you can appreciate it's difficult for me to film and to actually get on. I had my friend down today as well with the guy that owns this unit. He needs loads of bits doing on he's got a Land Rover V8 thing, he needed a service and whatnot, so I was trying to help him as best I could as well, whilst fitting in around this, but gotta do it, and these things. Yeah, tune in, it'll be Friday now, I think. I'll hope to try and get this video up tonight. I thought to myself then, there's no way I'm going to get this edited and up because I've got a lot of stuff, but I probably will. It might just be a late one, maybe just be 10:30ish or whatever. I've got to go back to across the other side of the country, Cheshire, tomorrow, and go back to work. Delightful with this storm, Christopher or whatever it's called. Nice. But anyway, yeah, check in on Friday, and I don't know what can I say we're going to do on Friday. It'll probably be fit the fuel tank, and then the rest of the braking system, make up the brake lines, sort the wiring out. Yeah, we'll see. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. Take it easy.